Hello everyone! Welcome to iBOS Zone Channel. Today, we're diving into the intricacies of efficient mechanical signaling in railway operation. In this video, we'll be exploring the essential elements that contribute to the seamless functioning of mechanical signaling. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content. Now let's jump into the details of maintaining and optimizing your mechanical signaling. Let's get started! The individual parts used to drive the cutting wheel must not have excessive looseness. The position of the chain holder bolts must be securely ensured. The distance between the chain ends from the point of contact with the chain wheel should not be less than 30 centimeters, while the groove part should not be less than 80 millimeters. In the standard position, the roller of the cutting wheel must be on a vertical line with the axis of the cutting wheel, and both should be painted white for easy monitoring. The long arm part in relation to its axis must have an excess torque of 1 kgm. Therefore, any replacement of the arm or coating it with scoot light must be accompanied by arm weighing. Each signal post must be named, and its kilometer location should be marked. The signal light glass reel must be complete and functional. Connecting bolts, arm drive rods, and mooring arm must be complete and securely installed. All moving parts must be lubricated with Vaseline.